Hello, and welcome. I want to do a little bit of an unboxing for this Scenario mystery snack box. I got it from FYI today, and I've never gotten a snack box except once from Amazon, and I got this from here, and I wanted to see how much actual Hello Kitty is in it, or the Hello Kitty and Friends. So we're gonna look at the box. The box has all some of the characters like Little Star, Hello Kitty, you know, all these different characters, and we're gonna see how much actual snacks and how much actual Hello Kitty it is. Obviously, it's disposable thing. So let's see. We go to open it up. So we're opening it up. It has a nice little mystery box thing. So if you like keeping stuff, this is a nice box. It's very sturdy. First, this is Japanese. That's chi beans. Chi beans are actually really good. They are beans that are basically, I guess you would say tempura. They're fried, and they're salt. Usually they're very salted. Some of them actually does come sweet, but they're usually very salted. So if you have a salt issue, then that's a problem. Everything's in Japanese, so that's all right. But I know what they are. Let's go to the next thing. We have kawaii cookies, and I don't know, I believe they're just regular little cookies. I don't know what the taste is. I have to open them up. We have Pokey, Hello Kitty version, but basically Pokey. It looks like it's just chocolate, so that's nice. We have wafers, chocolate flavor, another thing, so that's nice. They're all official products. More basically Pokies. Strawberry kind. I'm not a fan of that, but that's okay. And we go into candy cabinet. Let me see. Does it have any English in it? Doesn't. It looks just like those little crown cookies that they have. So that's okay. Oh, we have Ruminal, which is basically soda, which you pop this and then you turn it around and then it pops itself. There's usually a little ball inside, which it should be up top right here. Sometimes they have it in different ways where you can see it easily, but we have another one that's strawberry. The last one was, let me see, with marble. So yes, there is a marble in here. You can't see it, but yeah, it says marble is in here. There's no real way to get out the marble except breaking the glass, which is an issue onto itself. It doesn't exactly say what the flavor, but I'm assuming just regular soda taste. Another one of these are basically Oreos. Oh, here are the bigger ones. This is all in Japanese. How much is this? Product of Japan. Chocolate cracker. So basically like a wafer. We have peanut butter cookies, which is nice. We have what is this? If you know Japanese, write down in the comments. Another one in the cabinet, so I'm assuming another little, yep, it's a little thing like that. Then feels like it's a kind of a Twizzler kind of thing going on. It looks like it's a soda flavored. I do love Japanese and their weird tasting, but maybe not. And we go on to the big stuff, and this is rice cracker strawberry things, and this senbai, and I've had these before. They are actually very good. They are kind of a jelly kind of taste, so it's always very, very good. You have all these lovely things in it, and there's a very big pack, and we have the finished. It's Hello Kitty, and it's the old style Hello Kitty. more of a formal Hello Kitty. And it's a chocolate covered pie. So moon pies. Hello Kitty moon pie. And it is official, obviously official Mart. And we finally have to the bottom. So we have this, 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 this. We have 2 Pokies. So basically, it's enough for 2 people. It's way more than 2 people actually, but it's a lot of cookies, a lot of chocolate, a lot of strawberry, and a lot of random tastes. And altogether, this cost $44, and it was $40 plus $4 a tax. And I feel like this is a good buy. I'm gonna probably be eating this for the rest of the month and maybe going into the next. Definitely this is a great buy because it's my birthday a couple of days from now, so a little bit of chocolates I can have on the side, and this is a great unboxing. If you like this and you want to try it out, it's not like it's something where you can buy monthly thing, but it's something if you go to FYI you can try it out. So bye.